this video, I will show you how to create consumer expenditure survey. First, you need to click Add-on, Gulfi Form, and then Load Form Template. You can search Consumer Expenditure Survey. After you found it, just click Load Selected Template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page. And then you need to click Gulfi Form and Get Link, and then just click Continue. Go to your account, and then click Advanced, and go to Gulfi Form. You just need to click Allow here. After you get a link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also custom the questions. For example, here, go to Question tab, and I want to insert new row. For example, I use tax, and just copy the text and change it into name, for example, and go to your form, and it will show like this. Or maybe you can change the question type, for example date, and change it into date, don't forget, and go to your form like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear instantly. Also, you can change the background color of your form in the settings, and then choose the color that you want, so it will change instantly like this. Or maybe you can change the style of the title. For example, here I use mark behavior. Just follow the step, alternate, and then scroll amount. For example, here I use 25, and don't forget to close the code here, \mark, and then save and go to your form. Now the title is moving. Thank you.